What up? Maybe you've seen some other unboxing videos today, or seen them coming out today. And it happened to be the day mine showed up. Black Plague PDR. Keith Cosentino recently released this set of PDR tips. So, tool guys, sorry, I'm going to talk pricing. But it's important because pricing is a key part of why I purchased this. So, to start the story, MTE last year, I needed some tips, and I found some at PDR Finesse that I really liked, and I bought them. It was a great set. It was like 5 of their tips, maybe some extensions too. I think they came with it for like $100. It was a great deal. So I love them. They're great. The only complaint I have is that they're all this long. So you put them on an end of a tool that's already got a kick like that. Now you're this long. It's a lot of areas, you know, you need something really stubby. So I bought the Dent Slayer R4 stubby. Love that tip. Bought some more. That's how much I love it. I don't remember the cost of it. I think it's like, I don't know, it's 20, 30, 40, 50 bucks, somewhere in that range. So that adds up. I'm not complaining about that price. Please understand, I'm not complaining about that price because the money you make with those tips is far more. Keith Cosentino went and put out a set of low profile tips. And I mean, yeah, they're just as much low profile. So I'm pulling out the R4 one first. I mean, that's pretty much the same as the Dent Slayer low profile tip. So it's not like one's better than the other, but like I said, I'm talking pricing. All these tips are all different, and the whole set was, I think, 240 bucks. So to me, no brainer. No brainer. You can always add extensions to little tips. You can't cut a tip in half that's already this long, you know? So these things, very cool. And I didn't even know that this rail for them is magnetic. I thought they were screw-in, which I've never been a fan of, because you got to sit there and just like screw in, screw out, screw in, screw, yeah, whatever. So this just sticks right to the size that you want. So, and man, some of these, like, I have never seen a PDR tip like this. And Keith was even saying that when they were designing them, he was thinking, oh, maybe it's too sharp. But he said in the podcast that we were both on that this tip is, I think it's that one, or one of the other sharp tips, because there's multiples, is actually his go-to tip now. So, excited about that. I mean, everything to something as blunt as that. You know, if you need something still sharp but more stout. Actually, that's got it like it's a little rounded off. It's like for creases. Anyway, I like this. Ooh, that's interesting. I got plenty of new tips to play with now. So I'm gonna have to line them all up with the right spots here. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna keep this video short. Just wanted to show you. Oh yeah, even like every shape imaginable. And you thread this in. What is that? That's like a millimeter sticking out of the tool. Very cool. Anyway, I'll keep this short. Thanks for watching. I've seen, if you guys want to see another unboxing video, I just saw Gene Fetty's of this same set. It's very good. He does some ASMR. I highly suggest it, Jay. I mean, for what? For like 240 bucks, 250 bucks? How many we got here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23 tips. For 250, 260, whatever it is. Anyway, thank you for coming in. I really just wanted to make the video for the unboxing, and I didn't want to have to do any editing, so thanks for sticking by me while I did the live. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one, guys.